Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and if you wanted to help support this channel, it won't cost you anything. All you gotta do is use the links in the description if you wanted to get some of these for yourself. Hey, what's going on? Rich back with another awesome video for you. I want to show you some of the best HIDs you can get out there. There's a company called Morimoto. I picked them up a long time ago to do an HID retrofit. These are actually going to be going into my 2015 RAV4. They're projector headlight. Whatever you do, never ever put these in halogen housings. These are the igniters. They come with braided lines. Take this connector right here, plug that in like so. You can plug these into the HID bulb. Here are the Morimoto bulbs. They come in the boxes like this. Make sure to look for the hologram, which shows you they are original. Here are the Morimoto bulbs, brand new. 2 wires that come with the bulb. Just plug these two together. If you have projectors like I do, you have a dust cover, which you have to unscrew from the car. And what you do is you drill a hole and you run this grommet through the hole. Your factory harness would plug into here. This would actually plug into the ballast just as your factory wire would before. If you don't have dust covers like I do, then you could just plug your factory wire in here and you're good to go. These are the 9005s and 4500 Kelvin, 4500K. Try to focus a little bit so you can see. Those are the Philips LEDs on the bottom. As you can see, the fog lights, I'll turn them off and turn them back on again. 5500K Morimoto headlights, and they are the Philips LED fog lights. So I'll turn the Philips off. That's what the headlights look like. That's what they look like with the fogs. Again, they are very, very similar in real life to the same color. It's just on the camera, it's picking it up much differently. Again, here are the low beams. Here are the high beams. These things are very, very impressive. These are the best HIDs I've ever installed. Again, high beams and low beams. I'll show you what the difference is. Low, high, low, high. These are really, really phenomenal lights. I'm trying to show you the difference between low and high to show you just how much the low is picking up. Really, really working well. Very, very happy with these. So I'll show you what they look like at a stop sign. This is a very dark street. That's with the high beams. That's with the low beams. High, low, without the fogs, with the fogs. So yeah, just for HIDs for 9005s, these are really, really impressive. I would definitely stick to the Morimotos. You can see these are just my low beams. That's with the high beams. That's with the LED high beams. That's with just the lows. And honestly, it is just unbelievable. These are just the low beams and I can see everything I need to see. And that's with the high beams. So I really can't complain. These Morimotos are terrific, really phenomenal, really great lights. So as you can see, no one is high beaming me. Everyone's using their low beams. No one's hitting the high beams. It's not bothering oncoming traffic. Really working out great, and I am very, very, very happy with these. I've tried just about every set of HID LED, anything you could imagine. I've had real projectors. I did a retrofit in my F-150, and honestly, the Morimoto 5500 are the best HIDs I've ever found for projectors. Whatever you do not put these in halogen housings. It is illegal. It's going to blind people, and it's not going to give you good light. Don't be one of those people. Make sure you follow all your state laws and guidelines, and make sure whatever you do for your car, it's legal and it's up to standards, and make sure to be safe. I've never ever driven down this road without needing my high beams. So I am unbelievably impressed by these Morimotos. Again, I'm going to leave some links in the description if you want to get some of these for yourself. Make sure to click that like button, subscribe to my channel for more awesome content, and let me know if you have any questions or comments in the section down below. Make sure to drive safe. Take care.